Oh, what a beautiful snake! Hello, handsome. Do you believe in love at first sight, or shall I slither past you again?
Wow, did you fall from heaven?
I slithered, yes.
Like me too.
I can tell. That eye looks like it's been carved by angels.
Your smile is the most beautiful, glittery smile in the world.
I think we should have some action. Oh, 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 oh. Sing, sing.
Love's in the air. What was the next line? What was it?
The rising of the
Heart. That makes no sense.
It's all comes.
Yes, in the rising of the heart.
9 months later. Ah! Help me! The pain! Ah!
Push dear. It's here, it's here.
It's a boy!
I can't pick it up, it's too tiny. My slither is everywhere.
It's, what is it?
A giraffe.
It's a giraffe!
A giraffe?
Yes. It doesn't look like you, does it? But I haven't had an affair.
Yes, you have.
Oh, I did! I'm sorry!
Why did you break my Slytherin heart?
I didn't!
I'm
So glad you're making the most of it time before your exam. Are they clean socks? Or are they on
Yeah, they're mobile phone socks.
Ow, my head!
Oh dear, she's crying. Isn't that bad, surely?
Thanks. Oh, thank you.